Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your saved game data not syncing on your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I have two easy solutions on how to sync your saved game data on your Xbox One. The first is performing a hard reset on your Xbox, and this is very easy. Alright, what you're going to want to do is perform a hard reset on your Xbox One, and this will clear the cache on your Xbox One. So locate the power button on the front and hold it down for 10 seconds. So once this is completely turned off, we're going to want to go ahead and flip our console around and unplug the power cable from the back. And sometimes this is a little bit difficult to get out, so just be aware you're not going to break it by pulling a little bit harder. So leave this unplugged for approximately 5 minutes and then plug it back in and start up your console. So once it's plugged back in, flip it around and press the power button and turn it back on. And the second method is very easy also. So I'm on the home screen of the Xbox One. Press the Xbox button, go to the right to the System tab, then go down to Settings. Now, go under System, then go to the right to Storage. And you are going to want to go ahead and clear out your local saved games on your Xbox One. And when you do this, this will delete all the saved games on this console. It won't remove saved games in the cloud, and they will be synced the next time you play the game, and your console will restart. So go ahead and go to Yes, and it'll restart your Xbox One, and see if this helps also. Now, the next thing you should be aware about is your free space on your Xbox. If you do not have enough free space, go ahead and delete some apps or some games you don't use anymore to free up some space. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.